Welcome to our whiteboard video on probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with the likelihood of events occurring. It helps us make predictions and understand the uncertainty in various situations. Let's dive in. At its core, probability revolves around the concept of an event. An event is simply something that can happen. We represent events using circles, like this one. In probability, we often deal with simple events that have only two possible outcomes. Let's say we're flipping a fair coin. We can represent the event of getting heads with one half of the circle and the event of getting tails with the other half. Now, how do we quantify the likelihood of an event occurring? That's where probabilities come into play. Probability is a number between 0 and 1 that represents the chance of an event happening. A probability of 0 means the event is impossible, while a probability of 1 means the event is certain to occur. Everything in between represents varying degrees of likelihood. In the case of a fair coin, since there are only two possible outcomes, each outcome has an equal chance of occurring. Therefore, the probability of getting heads or tails is both 0.5 or 50%. We use the notation P, event, to represent the probability of an event happening. In this case, P, heads, and P, tails, both equal 0.5. But what if we have multiple events? Let's say we have a bag with 3 colored balls, 2 red and 1 blue. We can represent the event of drawing a red ball with a smaller circle inside our larger circle. Since there are 3 balls in total, the probability of drawing a red ball is 2 out of 3. Again, we use the notation P, event, to represent the probability. Here, P, red ball, is 2/3 or approximately 0.67. To recap, probability helps us understand the likelihood of events occurring. We represent events with circles and assign probabilities between 0 and 1. The closer the probability is to 0, the less likely the event, and the closer it is to 1, the more likely it is. Thank you for joining our whiteboard video on probability. We've only scratched the surface of this fascinating topic, but we hope this introduction has piqued your interest. Stay tuned for more math adventures.